Hello, I'm Darren from Philips. I'm going to talk to you about the kinds of fruits and vegetables that you can and can't juice with the Philips juicer collection. I'm going to break this down into three categories. Firstly, the kinds of fruits and vegetables that you can put inside a juicer without any need for preparation. These include apples, pears, carrots, tomatoes, raspberries, blueberries, lettuce, spinach, celery. There really is a large variety of fruits and vegetables that you can put inside your juicer without any need for preparation. Hard-skinned fruits and vegetables, such as pineapples, melons and pomegranates. These can be juiced, but they need to be peeled before you put them inside your juicer. Also, citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons and limes. Again, suitable for juicing, but need to be peeled. Also, fruits like peaches and plums that have a stone. Again, you can juice these fruits, but make sure you take the stone out before you put them inside your juicer. And finally, fruits with stalks, such as strawberries, red currants and grapes. Please make sure that you remove these stalks before you put them inside your juicer. The last category of fruits and vegetables I want to talk to you about are the kinds of fruits and vegetables that you shouldn't put inside your juicer. These tend to be fruits and vegetables of a more fibrous or starchy nature, such as mangoes, bananas, avocados and figs. Though these are important in a juicing diet, they should be put into a blender and added to your juice later, as putting them in a juicer can mean that they can block the sieve and affect the amount of juice that you get out. If you've purchased a Philips Avance juicer, then this has an extra large feeding tube. So all large fruits and vegetables that are suitable without preparation will fit inside your feeding tube without any need for slicing. If you've purchased a Philips Viva juicer, again, this has a large feeding tube and will take most large fruits and vegetables whole. If you've purchased one of the Philips mini juicer range, such as the HR1832, this has a much smaller feeding tube due to the size of the product. So you will need to slice up larger fruits such as apples and pears before these are put inside your juicer. So that's it. These are all the fruits and vegetables that you can and can't juice with a Philips juicer.